Good morning. Today we will talk about dangers of electricity. We must talk about benefit of electricity in our daily life before we talking about dangers of electricity. Electricity is very important in our daily life because we can use it in cooking and preserving food, lighting houses, streets, factories, and so on, operating some machines, toys, and so on, cooking food, lighting houses, operating machines. Materials around us are classified into two types according to their conductivity of electricity. They are divided into electric conductors and electric insulators. The first type we will talk about electric conductors. What is meant by electric conductors? They are materials that allow electricity to flow through. We have some examples for electric conductors, as all metals are electric conductors, as copper, iron, and lead. Also, water is a good conductor of electricity. What about electric insulators? They are materials that don't allow electricity to flow through. We have some examples as plastic, wood, and glass. Electric conductor as copper, and electric insulator as wood. Okay. The second point we will talk about dangers of electricity. Electricity is considered safe if it is handled carefully, but it causes a lot of dangers if we use it in improper way. What is meant by improper way? Improper way means incorrect way. Like putting a metal object in the source of electricity, falling down from a ladder due to electric shock, electric burns when we touch an electric iron. Types of dangers. The first type is called direct injuries and has three types: electric fires, electric shock, and electric burn. Electric fire like that, electric shock, and electric burn. The second type is called indirect injuries, like injuries that result from falling from a ladder due to electric shock. The first type of direct injuries we will talk about: electric fires. What is meant by electric fires? They are fires. Electric fires, they are fires that occur as a result of increasing temperature of electric machines. Again, what is meant by electric fires? They are fires that occur or happen as a result of increasing temperature of electric machines. Reasons of electric fires. The first reason for electric fires, number one, placing electric machine which emit heat or generate heat as electric heater close to flammable material. Flammable materials like furniture, curtains, rugs, and clothes. Increasing the electric load by operating more than one machine in one socket, or plugging more than one machine in one socket. Number 3, not disconnecting the electric current from machine which generate heat after using. That lead to increasing in the temperature of machines and causes fire. Again, reasons for occurring or happening electric fire: if we close electric machine as electric iron close to flammable material as close. Close or placing electric machines that emit heat for flammable materials as curtains. Plugging or placing more than machine in one socket causes electric fire, like that. Putting or plugging or placing more than one machine in one socket causing electric fire. Differences between regular fire and fire caused by electricity. We have two types of fire. The first one is called regular fire, and the other type, fire caused by electricity. How can we differentiate between the two types? The difference between fire caused by electricity and regular fire. Water is used to put off the regular fire, but we can't use it to put off the fire resulting from electricity. That is because impure water is considered one of liquid material that is good conductor of electricity. As we know that, as we said before, water is good conductor of electricity, so we can't put off electric fires by using water. So what happens if you put off electric fire by using water? The fire will increase. Therefore, using increase the fire and could harm the rescuers. So again, we have two types of fires. Regular fire, we can put it by using water. And fire caused by electricity, we can't use water to put it off. But we can use sand to put it. Okay, the second type of direct injuries is electric shock. What is meant by electric shock? Electric shock results from passing an electric current through the human body. Again, passing electric shock occurs due to passing an electric current through the human body. So, in this case, human body will become a part of electric circuit. Harms resulting from electric shock depends on, it's a very important point here. Again, harms results from electric shock depends on two things. The first one, time taken by electric current to pass through human body. The second one, strength or amount of electricity or electric current through our body. Reasons for occurring or happening the electric shock. Number one, when a part of a human body touches a wire has an electric current and another part touches the ground. Again, when a part of your body touches a wire has an electric current and the other part of your body touches the ground. The second reason, when a part of human body touches a wire, has an electric current, and another part touches conducting material. Again, when a part of your body touch an electric current and another part of your body touch a metal chair, okay? Number 3, touching two wires conducting electricity. You can touch the naked or uncovered wire by your hand, and the other hand touch another naked wire or uncovered wire. Okay, we must take care if one of us deal to electric shock. What are the first aids for electric shock? What can we do if electric shock occur to us? The first step, disconnecting electricity. Number 1, we must disconnect the electricity. Number 2, pushing the injured person by an object made of insulating material, like a wood stick. Number 2, press on his chest. Number 3, make artificial respiration. At the last, we must call the doctor to him. Okay. The third type of direct injuries, electric burn. The third type of direct injury is electric burn. What is meant by electric burns? They are burns result from electricity. Causes damage of body tissue. It's a very important point here. Electric burns causes damage of body tissues. So we must be careful when we deal with electricity. Reasons for occurring or happening electric burns. Number 1, touching an electric current source as a result of electric shock. When we put a metal object inside electric current, electric shock occurs. That electric current passes through our body and causes electric burn. Number 2, touching fire or spark resulting from electric fire. Touching spark resulting from electric fire. Number 3, touching an electric machine that generates heat as electric iron or electric heater. Again, what are the reasons for occurring electric burn? Number 1, touching an electric current source as a result of electric shock. Touching a fire spark resulting from electric fire. Touching directly an electric machine that generates heat as electric iron and electric heater. After we're talking about dangers of electricity, we must talk about precautions in dealing with electricity. How to be careful in dealing with electricity. Number 1, don't place several connections in the same socket. Number 2, don't insert a metal object in the socket as nail, screwdriver, nut, or non-insulating metal wire. Place piece of a plastic in the socket to prevent inserting another body in it, to prevent children from causing or from happening electric dangers. Don't touch the electric machines that are connected to electrical current with a wet hand. Don't touch electricity with wet hand. Don't leave an electric machine or heater connected with the electrical current while taking a bath. Again, don't leave an electric machine or electric heater connected with the electrical current while we're taking a bath, because here water is a good conductor of electricity. Don't play with the electric connection. Don't play with electric connections. Don't try to fix or maintain or clean any electric machine while connected with the electric current. Don't place the flammable materials like curtains, furniture, clothes, covers, rugs, and paper near to electric machines that emit or generate heat, as electric iron, electric heater, lamp, and heater. Don't leave the wires naked and not insulated. Don't place electric wires extending on the ground so no one trips on them while walking. Okay, thank you. Hoping for